Here I have Samsung Galaxy M34 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. Firstly, you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button battery power saving, So by tapping it once, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can choose some of these additional features to save battery, like you can turn off always on display, you can limit CPU speed to 70%, you can decrease brightness by 10%, you can turn off 5G. You can also enable adaptive power saving. So yeah, something like that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.